viewing.
Well, you know, at S&T, we focus at it from more of a national perspective. You know, my boss, the Undersecretary O'Toole, always is amazed that DHS is responsible for protecting the .com and .gov domains.
Right.
You know, NSA is focused on .mil, but when it comes to cybersecurity, this small little agency is
Right.
focused on it. So we've got programs that are fundamental to internet security. One of them is DNSSEC, for example, that
Right.
ensures that the URL that you type in a web browser is actually the URL you go to stop phishing attacks.
Right.
You know, and Microsoft has implemented that in Windows 7, a S&T developed technology, and working with all the root zone file servers to have that implemented across the internet.
Right.
So we look at it from more of that national perspective. But I want to go back to something Ash had said in terms of data governance. When I talk about security, for us, you know, it's really important that first responders, state, local, and federal entities can share data, can share information. And a lot of them are hesitant to do it because they're not sure. When we talk about security, we talk about, you know, privacy issues,
Right.
security of protected information. How do we allow them to share that information and do the identity management you discussed?
Right.
You know, I am allowed when the spill happened in the Gulf. How do I know Louisiana wants to share what Mississippi wants to share, but they don't
Right.
necessarily want to share their citizen information?
Right.
And so we've got a program called Virtual USA that we've deployed to multiple different states. And the key to this whole program, I mean, from a technology perspective, it's simple. You know, it's kind of a web browser that integrates different data sets.
Right.
But the whole key to this was the data governance structure that we put in place that gave those local entities the control on who got to share that information. And so then they can say, you know, Mississippi, I want them to see everything because they're my partner. We're going hand in hand with this. But, you know, those guys down in Texas, yeah, you know, I don't really like them that much. I only want to give them this access of information. And so
Right.
that's, I think, the key at S&T is we're really looking at, like you said, this huge big data problem. The future is going to be how do you ensure that people have the structures in place that they can control their data, but that way give them the freedom to share with who they want to share with.
Yeah,
And that's
excellent.
really our focus.
Excellent.